Hey guys, it's Marco here, Fully Loaded Cars, and I hope you're all keeping well. In the previous video you saw me paint the shell and the wings and the boot. The bonnet and the doors already been painted, so they're in storage. In this video what you're going to see is me flatten and polish the shell. It's taken me about 3.5 weeks and about 200 man hours. It's been a lot of overtime. Yeah, but it's where I want it to be now. Every panel looks like glass and there's no imperfections on it, and I'm ready to move on to the reassembly. In this video you're going to see how the flatten and polishing stage is done. It's a lot of time lapse, and I'll try and keep it short as possible, but just gives you an idea of how it's done and where all the man hours go into. Very tedious process, and takes a lot of concentration not to damage the paint and to get it to where to this stage. So yeah, I hope you appreciate it and I hope you enjoy it, and if you do or you have any questions, leave them down in the comments down below and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and share so we can help our channel grow.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue